Hey, welcome back to another episode of the Gargoyle's Den. This is Gargoyle. Today we have up on the block a Hot Wheels Neet Streeter. 1975 it says. Wow, this is interesting. It's got the U.S. Patent Canada, but it also says India on the bottom of it. Never noticed that before. But I've already got it drilled out. Let's go ahead and get it taken apart. There's not a whole lot to this car. No interior. Yeah, there is an interior. No class. And this one's a little different in the fact that usually when you get these Neet Streeters, this little hood scoop is missing. A lot of times it's down inside because normally it wasn't attached. It just stuck up through there. This one's actually attached to the body, which is different too. So yeah, that's kind of cool. These wheels will be on, obviously. I always replace the wheels, so let's go ahead and get a grinder bit out for them. Get those ground off. Alright, so we got that. Toss this in the cleaner over here. Zip the greaser. And we need to get this filed down. Nice and flat. Reason being that when you go to dimple the center for your drilling bit, you make sure you get it centered. It doesn't slip off to the side and blow out your post. Blow out your post, you pretty much just ruined your project unless you know how to do a post repair, which I do, but I really prefer not to because, yeah, they're a pain in the butt. Nice and flat. This one you can see, it still has a little bit of a dimple in the middle. But just to be safe, we're going to make that dimple a little deeper. A little center it a little better, hopefully. Beautiful. Definitely suggest getting one of these. It's a center punch, $10, $12 I think. Very worthwhile investment. Especially if you're like me and you do any red lines or anything. You know, as a mechanic I learned a long time ago that it's not so much the knowledge of how to do the things, it's more the tools to do the things. You know, most mechanic work is common sense, as long as you know how things work. But yeah, having the right tools makes all the difference in the world. Alright, I'm going to go take this over to the regurgitation juice and on to the spray booth, and we'll be back. here at this point, I decided the tarnish was too bad on the base, and I decided to put in a 50-50 mixture of CLR and water. Leave it in there for 4 to 5 minutes and take off the tarnishing and brighten, polish it right up. I'll let you guys see a time lapse of that. Please make sure that whenever you're using these wire bristle brushes, you're wearing safety glasses. As you can see, they have a tendency to come out and fly all over the place. You don't need to be losing an eye over a Hot Wheel. So please be careful and wear your safety glasses. And here we're doing my favorite part. We're going to do a quick polish with the flits. Can't ever go wrong with flits. And all we got left here is get these axles on, and we can get it put back together and have our reveal. This metal base plate, we ground down these axles. Might have to slot them open with my Dremel tool here. Alright, we're back from paint. Let's go ahead and get this back together and do our reveal, and we'll be good to go. And there you have it, the finished item. 1975 Hot Wheels Neet Streeter Custom. Obviously, I put different wheels on it. Did a Spectraflame Red Rose paint job. I know I've done a lot of Red Rose paint jobs lately, but I promise that's the last one for a while, because no, I'm out of the paint. I'm waiting on more paint. So, but yeah, it came out great. I love it. And just as an additional bonus, hold on just one moment. As an additional bonus, you get to see my weekend Hot Wheels Matchbox trifecta. These are all three ones that I did this weekend. If you didn't get a chance to catch the other two videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and give me some more ideas of stuff you would like to see. Like I said, I've got plenty of time and nothing to do, and be more than happy to try to attempt things. Until next time, bye now.